1, 2, 3. Ow. AI isn't that useful yet. Today, we're exploring the current state of AI and why its widespread adoption remains elusive despite its groundbreaking advancements. With the groundbreaking advancements of ChatGPT and GPT-4, AI has become a ubiquitous topic across the entire internet. It has not only pushed us to rethink how we go about completing our knowledge-based processes like writing essays, coding, interpreting data, creating art, and communicating with one another, but it has also found applications in many other fields. Yet despite all of this buzz and sizzle, there has been minimal shake and bake. In other words, it's a cool party trick, but most implementations of AI outside of the obvious have yet to deliver tangible value to the end user. It's not that the technology lacks value creating potential. On the contrary, with NVIDIA's $3 trillion market cap, the market believes that this tech is the future.
Instead, all this potential has yet to be fully realized, mainly because implementing artificial intelligence, say within a company's context, is a complex process. Accordingly, these stakeholders are still determining how to leverage or make it work for their specific needs. As it relates to companies, part of the reason I believe that this problem occurs, according to reporter Ron Miller of TechCrunch, is because of the technical complexity of implementation. Speaking to industry professionals, Miller notes that factors that increase companies' complexity are having proper data, security controls, and processes like employee training around using the tech. However, those are some of the more apparent obstacles to the implementation of AI. Miller does an excellent job of digging deeper and points to integrating AI into older legacy tech platforms as a formidable obstacle. In other words, you can't just turn AI on within your company's technical infrastructure. It's a process in which, according to Miller, only 15%, you heard it right, only 15% of companies were seeing any positive impact on earnings. If you've ever worked within the industry, you'll note that a lot of these companies are running on legacy software and they are not really ready in a lot of ways. How do you go from a company that's built on Visual Basic, you could say a legacy language, to being able to then integrate something as novel and new as AI within that given infrastructure? I don't think it's that straightforward. Moreover, paraphrasing Miller's points, many parties seeking to implement AI don't know how to estimate its value. Secondly, more talent is needed to execute the implementation. In simple terms, it's not always clear how AI will generate more money for a company. Implementing AI doesn't guarantee a return on effort and time, and there's a talent shortage for actually being able to get the job done. As a quick side note, if companies are going to continue to try to hack away at integrating AI in the pursuit of creating real value, and there's a lack of expertise in how to do so, I'd identify this as a market gap for us as tech professionals to train in the skills that will facilitate successful integrations and help provide these companies the value that they seek.
On the other hand, as it pertains to individual people and users, for this technology to gain mass adoption, I'd argue that the utility of daily task completion through devices like PCs or Macs must be significantly better than the workflow standards that we know and use today. In other words, an AI computer must be tangibly better than a traditional non-AI computer. Otherwise, the user base will continue to cling to what already works. Moreover, we don't have real test cases to compare old and new technology related to consumer adoption. Aside from the internet-based models like ChatGPT or Gemini, I'm going to bet that most of you have yet to interface with an AI locally on your computer. So adoption as it relates to private devices not only has a long way to go, but it also needs suitable test cases to evaluate the actual utility of this technology. However, the prominent players in the industry are racing to change that. At the time of this video, Microsoft has just released their Copilot Plus PC to users, and Apple will be releasing Apple Intelligence to their new devices in beta form this fall. Time will tell, and the market will tell. We're still a few steps away from the technology being truly useful for companies and users. A positive outlook for us as tech professionals is that the window of opportunity is still wide open to training on a skill set that may help leverage the gains of this tech to our favor. If you need help navigating this tech industry and achieving your specific career goals, please book a consultation with yours truly. The link is in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.